You know what is permutation? The term permutation refers to a mathematical calculation of the number of ways a particular set can be arranged.
Permutation. This is the formula of permutation. And permutation r equals to m factorial over n minus r factorial. Example, Jupiter is setting the 4-digit clock. He is considering of different ways to use the digit 2, 4, 1, 3, and 8. Di ba ang formula sa permutation guys? And permutation r equals to n factorial over n minus r factorial. Para makuha natin n, dali natin sila maan. So, 5 permutation. Tapos ang r, dali sa natin sila sa kuhaan. 4 digit. 4. Ngang lima man dire kay lima man ka number. Tapos, ang 4, kay magkuha naman silang 4 ka digit para sa isa lang. So, equals, balik ang n, so, 5 factorial over ang n, 5, sunod, 4 factorial equals, ang unahon nato is ang sa equals, ang may parenthesis. So, 5 factorial over 5 minus 4 equals 1 factorial. Kahuman, yan yung masada. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 over ang 1 factorial, dili naman sila pwede mo 0. So, 1 na sila term. Nakita ka parehas dire, so ato i-cancel sila. So, kinira ka na ato i-times. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 equals 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 equals to 120. So, ang only answer sa akin na problem na Jupiter is setting the 4-digit clock. He is considering of, so bayloan nato ni 120 ways to use the digit 2, 4, 1, 3, and 8.
What is circular permutation? As the term refers to the arrangement of objects in a circular manner.
Permutation. Circular permutation is one of a kind of permutation. This is the formula of circular permutation. We have a problem. Example, an electric fan can be divided in 15 equal parts. How many ways can you arrange 5 colors in it? So, let's write the formula. P is equal to minus 1 factorial. So, 5 colors man ang ihanap. So, amuhin nga to. And, so, 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So, 4 factorial. So, dapat nato expand ang 4 factorial. So, let's expand ang 4 factorial. 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. So, amo na yan. Expand nato na 4 factorial. So, pagkabot na rin, expand naman nato. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 12 times 2 is equal to 24. While 24 times is equal to 24. So, ang ato ang surgery na problem is 24. So, ang ato ang surgery na problem is 24. An electric fan can be divided in 15 equal parts in 24 ways. We can arrange it in 5 colors. That's all. Thank you.
Is distinguishable permutation. It refers to the arrangement of objects with identical objects.
Distinguishable permutation. Formula. Permutation equals n factorial over n1 factorial, n2 factorial, n3 factorial to nk factorial. Example. How many ways can we arrange the letters in the word committee? This is the answer in this problem by using distinguishable permutation.